Hello friends, welcome to another session of problem solving. In today's problem solving session, we'll look at a LeetCode problem where we have to merge two sorted lists. The constraint is both the lists are in non-decreasing order. That means they are in increasing order. On the right hand side, we have the definition of the linked list node, which has a value and the next node. And there are some constructors for initialization of value for creating the linked list node. So let us see the main idea or the approach or the algorithm for this solution. It's an iterative solution that we are going to see. The recursive solution is easier than the iterative, but it consumes stack space. The iterative solution doesn't consume it, it consumes constant space, and the time complexity is the worst case we have to iterate through all the nodes of the list. So it's order of n. So let us see the main idea or the algorithm. The main idea is we create a head linked list node which points to null, and we create a tail which is equal to head. And then in the first iteration, we check which of the values in the two lists, list 1 and 2, which is smaller. So 1 is smaller than 3. So what we are going to do is we're going to say tail dot next will point to the first list 1, 2, and then we'll make the head is, and we'll make tail equal to tail dot next. So now head is also pointing to 1 linked to 2, because it's the same memory that we are presupposing, just the pointers are different. So and then we set list 1 is equal to list 1 dot next. So in the second iteration, we check if 2 is less than 3. That is true. So we set the tail dot next to node 2, and we set tail to be tail dot next, and the head remains the same because it's the same memory location. And then in the third iteration, we again do list 1 equal to list 1 dot next. So in the third iteration, list 1 is pointing to null, so it will come out of the while loop, and we check, we set the tail dot next equal to whichever list is non-null. So list 2, if list 1 is null, we return list 2, else list 1. So list 1 is null, so we return head pointing to 1, 2, and the second list is appended to the list in the memory the head is pointing, and we return head dot next. Because head is pointing to null, we want to return from here. So this is the algorithm. So let's see how it looks in the code.